Congratulations, your group, Meristem Securities, has just launched two stockbroking online platforms, Meritrade and Meriboss. And this is being described as platforms that will redefine and revolutionize the market operations in Nigeria. Share with us the insight and the overview of what brought these two platforms.
Well, it is this trend and development in the market that made us to bring this product in. Maybe a couple of years back, the market will not have been able to absorb this kind of product. But with the S-Gen and the fixed trading capacity of the trading machine, then we're able to bring this in. And the fact that we need to be able to get as many people as possible to be involved in the mobilization of clients to trade on the Nigerian Stock Exchange in order to increase the number of shareholders that we have registered at the exchange. At the moment, we have less than 3% of the Nigerian population registered as subscribers or shareholders to the exchange, so we need to improve on that. Today is an epoch-making day in the history of our capital markets. And I am happy that we are all parts of this day. I started trading as a stockbroker in 1993, and I qualified in 1996. During those days, we traded through what we call an open cry system. And the roll call of stocks listed on the exchange. Then it used to start with LLAs. And once they set LLA, we all shout bidding. And anybody that has to sell, we shout offering. So you are hearing offering and bidding. Then it was a manual transaction. Then in 1997, we moved away from the manual system, and the automated trading system came in. It was a drastic change from the manual system. Then you could trade online. You could trade from the trading floor. Settlement was T+3. You didn't need to run after anybody to get your money or to get your stocks. Everything was seamless. After 1997, at some point, we could trade from our offices. You didn't need to come to the exchange to trade. We had remote trading. Today, it has even gone a step further. Not only can we trade remotely, but for those of you that are clients of Meristem Securities, you can lie on your bed in your bedroom and buy and sell shares on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. This is latching on the technology that the management of Nigerian Stock Exchange has provided, that is the X-Gen and the fixed capability.
It's all about innovation in the market, and here today we have one of the drivers of this initiative from Meristem Securities, Mr. Shegun Enuga. It's great to have Shegun Enuga. Okay, so congratulations on the launch of the Meritrade. Tell us about this Meritrade. What's the dynamics about it? What makes it unique?
Okay, the Meritrade platform, like we said during the event, is simply an online stockbroking platform that allows users buy and sell stocks online. From the comfort of your home office or wherever you are, you can take your mobile device and initiate an order. You can try to buy or sell a stock, and instantly, like you saw us demonstrate at the event, you get your contract note, you get other notifications sent to your email box immediately. This is a big development in the market, because if you cast your mind back to the era of the crash, people had to go to the office of their brokers, people needed to travel in some cases, but now all you need to do is just take your mobile device and initiate the orders, and your orders will be executed like you rightly saw. So Meritrade simply, makes trading very easy and convenient. The platform redefines stockbroking, like I said earlier, in a totally different way. Without having to go to the office of your broker, or without having to write any letter, or make some phone calls. With Meritrade, you can start everything right from account opening down to making withdrawals and also making payments in your account. I'll run us through the basic features of Meritrade. Now, the very first thing is the fact that you can open an account with as low as 50,000 naira. Meristem Securities has been involved in dealing with HNIs, for a very long time. But when Meritrade came into being, even before Meritrade came in, we decided to give a larger part of the investment public the opportunity to also participate in the market. And that was one of the reasons why with Meritrade, with as low as 50,000 naira, you can actually open a trading account. You can fill the account opening form online, like I said earlier. You just need access to the internet on any of your devices, your BlackBerry, your iPod, your iPhone, your tablets, or your computer. You can access the platform. You can place, buy, and sell orders online. You can make withdrawals online, like I said. You can set triggers. Triggers, that simply means you can set stop-loss limits. During the time of the crash, there was a period where everybody needed to take very quick decisions. But with a platform like Meritrade, you can set triggers, which allows you to set stop-loss limits. In other words, when you buy a stock and you want to control the amount of loss you want to make, take for instance, you don't want to lose more than 20% of your investment capital, you can actually do that using the Meritrade platform, using this particular feature. It helps you to set triggers. For those of us who understand the market pretty well, we know how to operate the stop-loss limit. You can also learn about the art of investing in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. On the Meritrade website, we have a tab there that is tagged resources. If you click that tab, you'll find a category of information for different groups of investors. If you don't know anything about the market and you're willing to learn about the market, you'll find a category there and you can use the information to start up. If you already know about the market, if you're a professional and you feel you have detailed knowledge, there's also a category for you that will give you some kind of information, that will also help you improve your knowledge of the market.
My presence here today is to further demonstrate that we are focused on the strategic declaration made in 2011, and we have been guided by same till date. The exchange supports innovations such as Meritrade, which is being officially launched today by Meristem Securities Limited. Just a little under 1 year ago, precisely in June of 2013, while discussing the NSE's transformation strategy, we reiterated the fact that 21st century technology strategies was a key part of the 5 pillars for growth, along with targeted business development, strong regulation, appropriate investor protection strategies, and growth-enabling market structure. While the NSE's focus from 2011 to 2013 has been on restructuring, improving technology, product development, and advocacy for changes to policy, in 2014, we determined to shift gear to drive innovations centered on increasing global visibility into the Nigerian capital market, developing a larger footprint on the continent, and ultimately targeting emerging market status.
Congratulations on the launch of the Meritrade, Mary Boss and Meritrade.
Thank you very much.
Can you share with us the process? Because you said it started 2009, so like 5 years into launching this.
Yes, we started by developing the in-house software that can actually enable the real retail platform that we have. We started as Meristem as a wholesale stockbroking firm. But when we decided to go retail, we need to develop a platform that can support retail. So it took us time to actually develop that platform. And when we did have that platform, we had the stock exchange horizon machine was not fixed enabled for a straight through processing. So the stock exchange straight through processing started last year, which is the X-Gen exchange, which is fixed enabled, which for straight through processing transaction. And so that is why we were the first to go straight through process on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and that's why we could actually be able to achieve the launch of the Meritrade platform now.
It's interesting to know that you're one of the brains behind developing this app. So tell us the process, the experience of developing this.
We were approached by Meristem. We shared the same vision with them. They had a vision to be the pioneers in IT and investments. in their part of business. So we aligned our vision with them. They had a vision that people in Nigeria should be able to trade from their palm of their hand. They were already had an app on the web, but they want to extend that to people who are mobile, and we help them, make their vision come true. So we have apps for them on iPhone, iPad, Android phone, and BlackBerry as well. So covering all the platforms in Nigeria, and I believe this is one of the only apps in the market in Nigeria, if not wrong, maybe the only one in Africa as well.
Now tell us your experience trading with Meristem Securities.
Well, trading with Meritrade platform has been very, very, very good. It's been an enjoyable adventure. You are able to do your trades yourself. You're able to, take decision from the convenience of your office or wherever you are. You fix the price of the stock you want to buy, and you see the movement in the market. If you need to make any adjustments to review downward or upward, you can do that immediately. And parameter your trade goes through. You can take a position within the same day, depending on whether it was a buy or a sell. So if you sold, you can take the same proceed to take another position for a buy. So you do so many transactions within the same day, which is also the bottom line.